Sometimes the difference between manifesting your desires or maybe not comes down to one thing: vibrational fine tuning. It's that subtle shift that makes all the difference. Today, I'm sharing some powerful tips that will help you find that fine line and align with what you truly want. Hello, I'm Andrea, and today I bring you some tips that help me manifest faster simply because they help me remove resistance and clear my vibration. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss my upcoming videos on clarity and ease. Manifesting is all about finding what works best for you because we are all different people with different vibrations, with different levels of resistance, and these are so many things that might really work for you. So, I am bringing you 5 of them today. You can experience them and see how it works for you. If with any of them you are successful, then please leave a comment. It might help someone else too. Tip number 1: keep the intention to yourself. Don't share with others what you are trying to manifest. Firstly, because your desire is important to you and you only. Manifesting it will be satisfying for you and you only. Nobody is more excited about manifesting your desire than you because only you can truly know how deeply you wanted it and how much it means to you. No one else can feel the importance of the desire in the same way that you do. They might doubt or ridicule your desire, or their simple lack of enthusiasm could weaken you. Protect your vision and belief, and if you feel inspired to tell somebody, only tell and discuss with those people whom you know are supportive or on a similar situation. Tip number 2: stay grounded in your why. So, when doubts arise, it's important to catch them early on and remind yourself why you want to manifest your desire in the first place. Remember your initial feelings, the intentions you had. Try to regain your motivation and clarity. Find guided meditations. There are so many guided meditations online, for the particular thing that you are trying to manifest. And that could help you recenter and stabilize your vibration. Tip number 3: embrace abundance mindset. If you are trying to manifest money, try to carry cash in your pocket as a physical reminder of abundance. Knowing that you have money with you helps you cultivate feelings of financial security without the need to spend it. On the other hand, if you are trying to manifest, let's say, a text message from a specific person, try to send yourself the same message from another phone and try to feel what it's like to receive the message from that specific person. Tip number 4: visualize and feel. The intensity of the momentum depends on the time you spend thinking about it. So, the more you think about something, the more momentum it gains. We manifest what we believe to be true. And as Abraham Hicks says, a belief is just a thought that you keep thinking. Take a few minutes each day to close your eyes and vividly visualize your desire. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal as if it's already yours to strengthen your manifestation power. And tip number 5, actually, this is something that I saw the other day online and I really, really liked it and I really wanted to try it. It's make peace with not having what you want. Sometimes the key to manifesting your desire is to let go of the pressure. Embrace the idea that it's okay not to have what you want right now. And things could really be working out for you, even if this desire is not present in your life right now. And when you make peace with your current situation, you free yourself from feeling of desperation or anxiety. This acceptance creates space for your desires to flow into your life more easily. Remember, it's not about giving up on your dreams, it's about finding joy and contentment in the present moment. And by doing this, you shift your vibration, opening the door for the universe to deliver what you truly want. Remember that the journey of manifestation is uniquely yours. What resonates and works for one person might not hold the same magic for you, and that's perfectly okay. Each of us has different viewpoints and different levels of resistance, shaping our experiences with the law of attraction. I encourage you to explore these tips and see which one resonates with you. Feel free to share in the comments below if any of these tips helped you and if you have your own strategies that works wonders. Your insights can inspire others on their journey to manifesting their desires. If you are looking for something more practical, you can check out my previous video on 11 practical exercises to manifest called 11 Ways to Manifest Anything, Powerful Practical Exercises, and I will put the link in the description. In this video, I detail powerful exercises like 369 method, 17-second rule, the 2-cup method, scripting, and the 5x55 method, to mention just a few of them. I encourage you to experiment with those methods and see which one resonates with you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more empowering content. Thank you for joining me today, and happy manifesting.